Hi, this is Tom from Farland Classic Restoration in Colorado. Today we're having a look at this 1966 Mercedes-Benz 230SL. This beautiful classic has been in Colorado for many years. An earlier restoration resulted in a very nice paint job in the original color Mercedes 519. The interior was upgraded with leather versus MB Tex upholstery. Inside, the dash is in great shape, including the original Becker radio. Newer carpet and refinished wood complete the interior. All around, the chrome and brightwork look as new. This car includes a hardtop in the body color. Also, the new convertible top is in excellent condition and goes up and down without a hitch. Recent mechanical work includes new clutch and hydraulics, new exhaust, axle boot, and fuel system work. This car is ready to roll, and in fact the manual 230SLs have lower axle ratios than the more expensive 280SL, and consequently there's hardly any performance difference between them. Give us a call at 720-588-8427 to learn more, or visit farlandcars.com.